It's a great day for keto. My name is Liftar, and I'm bringing you today's keto tip. Welcome. Today's keto bite, keto food cheat sheet. The keto diet is not a piece of stone. It's a guide. If you drive on a road, you can change lanes, you can stop, you can go, you can drive over to the left side of your lane, over to the right side, right in the middle of your lane. As long as you're moving and you stay between the outside lines and you don't end up in a ditch, you'll get where you're going. But on that road, you actually have room to move around and change where you are on the road. Within keto, you can have a lot of variety. You can substitute all you want as long as the macros stay balanced. If you are someplace where you don't have your keto environment set up, like you're not at home, you might have to wing it occasionally. Here's a short, sweet keto cheat sheet. I'm a poet and don't know it. You must have an understanding of the macronutrient balance for this to be any good for you. You can't just eat all of one thing or all of that. You got to know what keto is. But this is just a real quick. If you don't remember if this thing is or isn't keto, this is to help get you over that. The things you can have: meats, including eggs, beef, poultry, fish, etc. Seeds and nuts in moderation: walnuts, macadamia, sunflower seeds, and others. Low glycemic sweeteners: erythritol, stevia, monk fruit, and others. We go over those in our other podcasts. High-fat dairy: butter, hard cheese, high-fat cream. This does not include skim milk and low-fat milk. Oils and other fats: high-fat salad dressing, coconut oil, saturated fats, etc. Low-carb veggies: spinach, broccoli, cauliflower, kale, and there are others. Avocado and berries: raspberries, blackberries, blueberries, and certain others, again in moderation. What you can't have: any tubers, any potatoes, yams, anything in that family. Fruit: apples, oranges, bananas, etc. Other forms of sugar, and some you think are healthy, but they're just sugar: agave syrup, honey, maple syrup, and there are others. And then grains: corn, rice, wheat, cereal, etc. And no, you can't have any of the ancient grains or okay grains like quinoa and amaranth. They're not okay. They're just grain, they're just carb, and they cause other problems. This diet has to be done properly, and I admit it can be a little confusing. The keto food cheat sheet can help you with that. If you want a much simpler, done-for-you version, which is a 30-day program, which you can repeat over and over, you can find it at rockthatketo.com/SK. That's rockthatketo.com/SK. And you can look at the program there. It doesn't cost anything to go look at it and see what you think. Keto's a lot easier when someone else plans it for you. And that's today's Keto Bite. If you enjoy these bite-sized tips, then come on over to rockthatketo.com and sign up for fabulous recipes, how-to tips, and inspirational stories of people who have lost weight or gotten healthy for the first time in their life. If you're ready to dive in and start losing serious weight, we have a foolproof 30-day plan all laid out for you. You can start losing weight today. Come on and check us out at rockthatketo.com, and we'll see you next time.